Do you know how you can add deep, paired flavor without adding additional calories, sugar, or liquid? Artisan bitters. To a chocolate meringue, I added cherry bark, which had cocoa, fennel, and vanilla notes. To a granola with dried cherry, almond, and candied ginger, I added Trinity, which had citrus, dried fruit, and vanilla notes. My green juice, which had celery, cucumber, spinach, lemon, and parsley in it. The title of the bitters that paired best was orange, but the flavor profile is actually caraway, cardamom, and coriander. My root beer kombucha has maple and root beer in it, so I paired the cherry bark, which again has cocoa, fennel, and vanilla. And to imitate a poppy or olipop, but without the stevia, which I recently read you should limit to 1 serving a day, I paired with my current favorite, which is Blackstrap. That's what it's called, but the notes are grapefruit, hibiscus, and island. Deepening flavor can be achieved through the cooking process or through choosing ingredients that are very rich and dark. But the beauty of these artisan-made bitters is that they have intense complementary flavors, which are hard to achieve without a little additional magic.